All right, to figure out plumbing placement, our sink cabinet, this blue line represents 40 inches from the wall to the right of the fridge where you have the electrical to the corner. So if we're using that as a reference, 40 inches. And then this is our position, this blue box for the plumbing to come up. That blue box is right here, 21.5 by 3 3/8. So the center of that is 115.25 off the range wall to the center, and from the window wall 142.1/8, and that's to the center. And that rectangle, 21.5 by 3 3/8, center from the range wall is 115.25, center from the window wall 142.1/8. Thanks.